What will be your response to
I,
that?
I'm meeting the student organization. I've spoken to the chief minister myself. Language is non-negotiable. Now, I've been very clear that we will not ask for Kokborok to be in the 8th schedule. So then, this becomes a state subject. Now, in the state subject, the government of Tripura, the opposition party, primarily the Communist Party, both are national parties, should make the stance clear. Do they want Tiprasa students to learn, read, and write in Roman script, or they prefer Bengali script? My stance is that we want it in Roman script and we don't want it in the 8th schedule. So now stop passing the buck to Delhi and address the issue in Tripura.
So I hope that will bring a solution to the entire.
What is the harm? People in Mizoram, people in Meghalaya, they're speaking their mother tongue and they're writing in a script which they prefer. So we also wanted the same thing. Their Mizo is not in the 8th schedule. Khasi, Garo, Jayanti is not in the 8th schedule. So we don't want Kokborok in the 8th schedule. Give us what we want, and at least our children will be able to appear in exams and write and read in a script that they are comfortable with.
Sir, are you satisfied with the chief minister's reply in that?
I think that, first of all, I would like to say I'm very happy that while we are in the government, my own MLA Ranjit De Barma spoke out. I'm also very happy. I've never seen this ever in the history of Tripura. That I've never seen Jitendra Chaudhary ever stand up and ask Manik Sarkar any question. I've never seen NC De Barma stand up and ask the BJP chief minister at that time, Biplab Dev, any question. But for the first time, I think in the history of Tripura, a minister from the own cabinet got up and said, I think we need to address this issue. I was in the opposition, now we are in the government, but Roman script is what we want, and this has to be addressed as it's a state subject.
Animesh
I think Animesh I'm very happy that he did it. I was myself in the assembly. Many people say that why wasn't he more aggressive? Well, we can put our point across without being battameez. But that means that we are polite, but we are firm. And we are firm. And politeness does not mean weakness. Battameezi does not mean strength. We have been polite and we want our issues to be addressed, and we will ensure that the Tiprasa students get what they want.
My last question is, it is people think that TSF is of Tripura, but we do understand you have shown your support to them, to the issue particularly. Will you try to convince also them that
No, see, first of all, if the TSF rally had failed, then it is not a failure of TSF, it's a failure of all of us. So they may not be my student organization, but they are Tiprasas. I am not just a politician, I am also the son of the last king of Tripura. I have a larger responsibility. So when I went and I extended my solidarity and I asked my people to also help them, that means that I didn't want to see my people fail in a language which we want. You know, when I was protesting, there were other political parties. They said, but this is not our problem, that is your problem. This is not my problem or their problem. It is the problem of the Tiprasa people. So it is my duty, and I think I did the right thing. My heart said that while TSF is not my organization, my heart said that I cannot allow TSF or Tiprasas to fail in a genuine demand. So I went there. Today, a section of media is attacking me, saying that I am the reason behind this agitation. I am not behind this agitation. But as every Tiprasa, we have our sentiments and we have to express our solidarity. And they should not try to politicize this matter.